Looking for the best desk organizer tray but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best desk organizer tray based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. DALTACK Paper Tray 3-Tier Paper Organizer. This organizer nails it for busy desks. The pull-out trays separate your chaos fast, no digging for the right file. Teachers, students, and office workers will love the A4 fit and steel frame that laughs at daily use. It's compact but roomy, keeps papers neat without eating your surface space. Number 4. Vivihomety 2409-4P Paper Organizer Letter Tray. Love this organizer. Clear acrylic means you spot papers instantly and it never rusts. Perfect for anyone drowning in mail or office clutter. Simple stack-and-go setup with no tools needed, and each tray pulls apart for flexible use. Keeps desks tidy with style, easy to wipe clean, and tough enough to handle daily jostles. Number 3. Shenee Black 1 Desk Drawer Organizer Tray. Most drawer organizers feel flimsy and fall apart fast. This one's made of sturdy steel mesh, no plastic flecks, no dust traps, easy to wipe clean. For cushioned pads stop it sliding while protecting your desk. Keep pens, scissors, jewelry or tape tidy at home or work. It's simple, durable and actually stays put. Number 2. Sinboun LT Letter Tray Paper Organizer 5-Tier Desk Organizer File Organizer Paper Holder. Tired of messy desks drowning in papers? This 5-tier letter tray is perfect for anyone drowning in files, students, professionals, or home organizers. Sleek mesh construction with a powder-coated finish blends seamlessly into any space, while the thought-out dimensions keep everything within easy reach. High-quality steel mesh feels sturdy yet moves effortlessly, holding papers, folders, and even magazines. Quick to tidy, this tray turns clutter chaos into clean order in seconds. Number 1. WALI Do 005DH B Desk File Organizer. Cluttered desk got your focus scattered? This all-in-one organizer tackles paper piles, pens, and files with 4 letter trays, a vertical folder slot, 2 pen holders, and a sliding drawer. Everything stays tidy and within reach. Perfect for students, teachers, or remote workers who need order without sacrificing style. Sturdy metal mesh keeps everything steady, and assembly takes minutes. If you crave a clean, professional workspace, this organizer's your new go-to. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.